everyone. This is a small shutter padlock. It's 5 pins. Lock works normally. Key retaining and quite a stiff turn on it. That's the bitting on the key. Tensioning has been a bit of a problem with this. I've got this very snug fitting pry bar that I'm using. It was jammed in there. Okay, start pin 1. Pin 3. And pin 2, sorry, pin 3, and a bit on 2. Quite a helpful bit of warding on the right hand side. You can just rest the pick against. It makes up a slightly awkward angle having to go in because of the tensioning. Bit from pin 4. Making a meal of this. It's not that hard. There we go. Finally open. Yeah, so I did make that a bit harder, look a bit harder than it is. It's you just hampered a bit by getting access to the pins. Thanks to Simon01 from UK Lock Sport for this, for the lock. He's on YouTube under the name Pin Pickers if you want to check out his channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.